we'll be talking about STDs and candidiasis and yaria hayen ewo namu yaria ebi kwa ha ebi say candidiasis kwa no how can you get white like the normal name my ma ye ka aye ni me ye white kwa be de ne nya white e de na de white ba na wunya white no so kra de na wo se wo ye as you always accept STDs ni nyama no and ne ye the Dr. Annabel Jate CEO of Manswa Heba and any baba twetwe nkomo na watwetwe yareɛ how are you bit see aboy ho ban from all these sexual transmitted diseases and then candidiasis and everything nti any doctor ene ewo fie ha say doctor akwaba
ejo so mani
bibia boko
yanko fadum abra
na coronavirus yemfa mo ne tofa yareɛ abe ha adwen wo
I've had dream of Cambridge, so. I dear my hard dream is say, Budua or more underlying issues and as underlying health conditions.
Wow.
You go on my pomodino and CP dada. Okay, say, immune system air battle, ya ready. Dada. You are on pressure for about 10-15 years. So you saw that we do so. Or asthma, or battle and koi, and I say every month we have asthma attack, or bronchi, and I saw wahra muya rebi. I understand that.
Okay.
Yeah, or other diabetes and all that stuff. And ma almost uncle for no ya really be any caution temp.
Yeah. It kuni pa edinya.
Yeah, edinya pa. One thing is yeah, maybe a virus no. This is hepatitis.
So dog, is it virus or bacteria?
It's virus. Because
I know we go online, now you can bacteria. We go China say a virus. So it's kind of
a virus.
A virus. Okay.
No. Like hepatitis is a virus that attacks the liver, and COVID is a SARS. Your friend is SARS.
Okay.
SARS. SARS no ye ahraba mu ya reaction from my like a flu.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Like a flu. Na no na virus. Nti no kwa ahraba no mu. Enka mu say ahraba no. Eni akoma na ye adwuma bom. Ahraba no begin frama. What dem frama no? Or the amakuma no. Na frama no the makrefen oxygenated.
Okay.
It was oxygenated, not the amakuma blood, na oxygenated blood. And then they do shoot to come bia when you pay no.
Wow.
In this frama no ade ba no problem about how no ye gba huma ba ho.
Obeda je.
Tell the how be braba. The here ban se be hwe ho yi.
Ye the measures ni nyina ebeto na yetimi aboye ho ban.
Ya boye ho ban be ho ni kwase esu ami enso.
Okay.
Ye chia. Especially and see a reason why sorry no over call mic no the piano no so team all this nyama see
should be avoided cry.
After about viral infection they say we put me back in the club when you have hepatitis we say oh yeah then yeah also unim confess nti who kwan ya ofa so a unya then I say be extra careful.
Should be extra careful.
Washing your hands cannot kill a virus. That's it, yes.
Okay.
But it will get rid of some.
Okay.
Do who on Sunny we have now the alcohol based sanitizer over 60%.
Yes.
Yeah. No kumwano. But using the alcohol based sanitizer
alone can't kill.
Can kill you.
I get it. Yeah.
Right. Now, all the young sa pay now called nursing now so who if you it's
serious.
Yeah.
It's serious.
We have a long way to go.
It's kakra we are getting there. You say go for a yard dear or more fresh eja. Yes, a young hurry and son ne. I start to hurry and sa, putting things together. Snebea, bibia ebeye kama. Most people call on the show and they have issues with obviously when you namu yarie. Dear is a hard dream pa ye candidiasis. I beka say ye white. It's yes starting with a ma ya how are you white can ye dem kwani candidiasis great.
Okay, but that's young fancy akesi ma ahwefo a ene yimdo magi edwa a mo hwe abuje show dwumadi a uti e beboa be sisi awarewe na amane matumi CPS ta ama e na udi sase white
yeah
na say candidiasis no Many or the convention of Fasoba. STIs are possible in friend. Yeah, country in tea, the friend in them we are. And I say, a candy can I say, if you are by man, a cotty, and now buy and a check. And what problem when I can accept. Na Yaria, a can't ma and name ma Yariano. Do one a nkitamudia in ya one passo. So on the bear man and your ban or more down passo, more dinkita home, nedeba. And yet do one now sooner, and yet be this is a candidiasis say. Walk on corn passo, but no ya candidiasis. The one kola, time say, Obianya, sa condition ya. No be on so another one no. Come away fee. What you saw no things will share
to know the jarre
and then we could be a walk. And this to me, my father to me, ya Canada, and I said to me, ya infection, also to me, ya white. Now, that's what should be no. Be Sam say, Sisia, so be in your white, obey a day.
Obey a day.
Yes, a white and a mouth check a movie. More to
a beer was say. Okay, Director Pacho for numbers no go na. Obi o person send the messages bia intimi fan the messages embra. Ya dog Pacho to so.
To more chemu bia, unya prolapse. The was of banana was never so soon, said the bear, we know Tunisia, brother was. Are you weak?
Wow.
Are you weak, you know? Wow. Yeah, I did can say we and say one. The visiting the doctor is a must. Visiting the doctor is a must.
It's a must.
So who doctor? Yeah, war in law why it me too white as a baby our market. I be register our BAMU of the transport.
Okay.
Yeah, back. But you will look at therapies. I'm saying no person will change.
And no nam person just say. Old man swag just say. White be sound better because doctor white dear white ya dear Emma Bakra when inje our dear Mumpana because when o partner ninja ultimately also when inje because ono shia so as you said Emma training buy into obema be also pet bagaya
want to she
so it's dog yeah bro to stretch them anytime what's a mess so me sinti obi o white hwe e dey no be ye amanako
e dey kan obi o white bia yeast infection is built on sugar.
I see.
Say I'm for education so we were cancer plan no tie me no the group na doctor hena so giant aduane sugar bia
womudi
eni e baako
I say who did sugar enko okay
ye normal food we so ha sugar so wom
okay
and so am one
I say mo so jadi
but yemra white dey so
yes
ye were natural therapies for wha me be kire ani panano abetumi anua
anya of fear concussion of fear
ono ai no kakaka
okay
e be work perfectly
okay
yeah juma correct
okay
ono abe man twana ikuma kama didi kan no obe pepper on pepper be 2 tablespoons
okay
onya pepper 2 tablespoons on pe garlic local one on wa miensa awa da ntwetwem on fa ngu silver no on fa pepper ne nka owie on pe ya o je fe ne hwentia yeah fe ne hwentia alligator pepper ya hwentia na on kan hwentia be 30 kan hwentia be 30 a on fa ngu so afi don fa pure water say nsuo bottle to say a size mienu on fa ngu
ofangum
na onua ne hu fa so be 10 to 15 minutes a
yeah
ndu jano on disposable cup ketwa no only 2 times a day.
2 times a day, pet.
2 times a day.
For how long, doctor?
Well, it depends on
how chronic it's no. Okay.
No improvement.
Okay.
No the obetumi ga share. E wo bottle say.
Okay.
No.
Okay. 1 liter no.
No. Esa no wasan ye fufu.
Okay.
The on back clinic am me complain say me buy doctor when you white. Ti me share wa manedru onya discharge. Nka wom ha adwen ti boa no. Ye wo pa ne say si ye fa topic na white a. White ne ye ka ho asema. Ye wo inamu yare bibiri ho a.
Yeah.
No so no and it is a name, this is a chlamydia say, and them a business gonorrhea and them, a business syphilis in them, there were 8 PVs, no human papillomavirus, and see in them, there were almost about 20 sexual transmitted diseases. Now, dear, it will ma a my cancer, mamma, a home baby, say sexual infections on a bar. And I said, "Nemu yare na ba, etabi mbanya dodo ese mema."
Ase yase kwan na so. Mema de ni de gina ho state. E fa ho kakra bi. Hi.
Eti ya ba edi mba ni yante dodo na no, aya na ye de ni kire mba no so ese mema. Na ya starting fi white na wo kan masem.
Yeah.
White ye ya rebi a anya nnam ko an nya white said Jesus no ebu wo a antibiotics bi a ono do bi ono ankasa water so a ono
okay
it ma wonya white why adentia ma aseno ma twa na ankasa na ewo ho no
yeah
yankopon ya in such a way that your natural yeast and natural bacteria se wo ho a ebo etwa no ho ban said be every time bia be nourish na mwa bi antumi enko ho ne ya refufu bi antumi enko ho
okay.
But say obi the antibiotics no or no more antibiotics no on the bacteria bia in general.
In general, okay.
But as bacteria bia in general. The antibiotics are no no. A backo a bacteria bia in general no. A beba a training so na bacteria so kwa boko ban no so. Ati o ma ho de no so. The body sana na east ni mumu abasoro. Afa nipa na starting ya discharge.
Wow.
Telebi so a na nya ne sanko. Obi wo ho ana oda birth control pills. I friend family planning. One ni pressure ana so ni pressure wi ana wa ba ko.
Te be ya onyem.
Te be ya onyem.
Okay.
Obi won so ana wa kohye se be IUD. Se be ya onyem. Sa nya mani nyina no itumi ema obatumi candidiasis ana so tumi nya.
Wow. Enti wo de onim se wo bo wo ho ban no. Utin kofa yare sign the ba.
Yes.
Wow.
Na ne tretie mu no. Sometimes no then ye eno kwa so sa na de ba. Se one oba no ehye pint a enye cotton based pint.
Okay.
Na ye nylon pint. Na ehye na se be na heat ni na ho chen so a. And so to me ma we develop offense and
candidiasis. Okay. Na che say me tie ne ye a oba kra anka osi wo panta. E wo so de sane wiem na awo wie no san kra use iron. E de to se ne be ya bacteria mbo bia wo ho a e betimi ekuna ma wo. Na dog ye hwe bibi so obi anya candidiasis a e den kra no be ye. Cause say awie we won white egu awarie e ma bebre su obi kwa ha watia ma na sekra aye kro.
I was candidiasis no ba when ne ukunu dakra na se wono partner hia na se omudi mo ho kra na ahono ehyehyw
na so when your infection
ahono ehyehyw na penetration kra wo Philippines the penetration no right na discharge eba no unpleasant.
Wow.
Na se obi wo candidate na opese o treat ya na ade ba ko se ye hye no so se ma bi wo ho a o se me dware me pese me ho ye fine na mo bath soap bi a na nsa ba so a mo di
amode ho horo mo ase
no wa ye no bebre na de % bi e wo mase no de go ebi wo ho a no odin wo wie ni mo be mo problem.
Wow.
Na ebi wo ho a omo de antiseptic soaps. I want to go on, you not dorsal. I'm on susu, said you
say, Zania, my near maybe.
Yeah,
and also to me my white and near my digun so mu dware no eti ebe yanka wo horo wasekura wie and so what drop is hard no dey dware
very good
yes
very good
cause I know a thing
education here
yes I know a thing
because I don't know create a whole lot of problem nti I don't know e ba ko na say obi en
mango no small ones no and the science is so cause message is said by the almost doctor and science is so my
mango no the chair say so we want to try bon
okay
say ya kola so you pay you no be say scent ni na akọ
okay
na natural scent
okay
come remember be one person na nu bom but yes here
okay
na o be more confident
okay
e wo ho say asoba dia be su mango
okay
mango no say pe local one dia abre no
okay
na ka mi aduane na e ba no na fire wase kakra fire otwem kakra
o ne chano ne clit no ba no so na inside no
dia bibia ni ho
bibia ntiam esuro ne na matwa ne bon no tinyemu no I see e twa no so no and matwa ne bon no okay
so no bibia tweba no won chen yes so no for about 20 minutes
na onjare bibia
mango yedi
aduane ti emma side effect bia
bitumi ya ho enye o hwe enya de mo side effect bia se me mango aye na chenkofu bebire
aboa mo okay
pre kosi boni fani clove fanti for fani prego amba
okay
for fani prego amba
okay
that's what is it 2 tablespoons of clove
okay
and 2 tablespoons of pepper na per garlic nkitu abane baasa garlic 3 3 cloves of garlic
okay
why ibasa
okay
either local or exotic with the mark and garlic
okay
na fegu we you know silver ni man also span we are alligator pepper
okay
e fe ne hwentia e bi so fe ne pepper corn and na wo de tukuku mu na mo ye kuku no bi so mo de atukuku hwentia yeah aye join bisa hwentia ni bi
okay
unya hwentia maybe like 20 cry normal na pe 20 be to don de egu silver ni mu we are now the pure water mienu 2 sachets of pure water, pour it on the solution or on the medicine.
Okay.
Now feed the nuya for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bekura faso.
Okay.
Who faso na ye fanya dumjano. The disposable cup kitwano.
Okay.
Number 1 up. Number 1 you drink. Number 1 up.
And one.
Drink one morning, one evening. What is that somebody did and where you duane? Wentia is food. Wentia uses for food, for cocoa. Garlic uses for food, for soup,
for stew, everything. Yes.
Clove you uses for soup, stew, everything.
So it's food.
So it's food.
Yes. It's ingredient for food.
It's ingredient for food.
Yes.
So when can just say, don't ask me that. Should I eat before I drink? Doctor, then I'll share the main answer.
Doc, but your questions were how? Obi say, is it advisable to apply rub in vagina before sex?
Hey, it's never good at all.
Okay.
As what she applied, I'll never know.